We're heading to dinner now at a place called LiQWYD. We made a reservation for it, and it's on a different side of town, so I think it's something that's more traditional. So we're really excited to go try it.
This looks nice. That looks nice.
Yes. Wow. It was so good. Great house wine. We just had a nice time catching up with each other. It was so great. They're all watching me do this. They're watching me do this. And the Uber is here, so I have to go. We came to Absinth, an Absinth bar. Also, they're playing Grease, which is amazing. And we're gonna drink some Absinth.
What do we have in here? Trying to figure it out. Trying to figure it out.
Ooh, lighting. Sorry guys, my lighting guy just got here. It's been crazy over here, language barriers, trying to get someone. We just ordered the Beetle Absinthe. It's a Czech preparation. It's about 70%. Includes a sip on it. So we're all pretty excited, a little nervous because we haven't had it, but we'll see what happens.
Don't smell it. Don't smell it, guys.
Cheers. Remember,
That's a terrible idea.
Slow.
It's definitely super, super strong. You have to sip it. You have to sip it.
A lot of those barrels
Do not
go
shoot it,
second
or I don't even know what will
hand
happen.
into-
You get shot. You just drop dead right there. It does get a little bit easier over time. It's fun though, I'm enjoying it.
Oh, like a tasting?
Yeah, take
This
it.
does not make sense to me.
I'm
just not enjoying it. I'm gonna be ill.
2 thumbs up.
Got our second
good.
round. We had the absinthe just pure, and now we got it into a couple of cocktails.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Just had this drink over here. Super good with like cucumbers in it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. See you guys in a bit. Bye.
Sorry about him. He's trying to piggyback off of my fame, so it's been really difficult to actually capture these vlogs. We're gonna try these round sugary desserts, and we're not really sure exactly how to say the name. Spell it.
TRDELNIK.
We've been saying turtleneck.
Starting with 3 consonants is pretty whack for us, so we're just gonna refer to it as the turtleneck.
They look amazing.
It looks like a turtleneck though.
It kind of does look like a turtleneck. Wait, also guys, Miriam, we just left her.
Oh God. She hated me
There
so
she
much.
is.
She hated me so much.
Why'd she hate you? What'd you do?
Oh, well, I gave her like a big bill for not a lot of stuff.
Oh, yeah.
So, and she had to open a new bag of coins that they'd obviously like put away, and
But she's obviously doing
felt
nothing
really
else.
bad. Yeah.
Like
She was watching some show, so I ruined her night, I think. Sorry about it. Oh, wow, look. One spoon?
Yeah.
Not sharing.
It's hard on the outside. It's
Pretty big.
It's really big. Oh my god.
Thank you. Taste it.
Smells nice. Let's taste the ice cream anyway.
Nice.
It is good. It's really good. The ice cream's really good.
Yeah.
Mine just fell in.
Oh! That's what I would want to
Yeah, I
happen.
was kind of wondering.
Worth it, guys? Nice?
Try the ice cream so far, but Just 2 thumbs up.
Sorry?
Still not really sure how to say the
Go
name
ask
of
her how to
it.
pronounce it.
How do you?
Oh.
Oh.
That was stupid.
You wipe it off for me?
True love. Oh.
How am I supposed to? Okay. How do you say the name of these?
Derdelnik. Say it again, Dave?
No, I can't.
Yeah. Derdelnik. Nice.
Thank you. We were trying to figure it out.
Thank you.
Okay, signing out.
Hey, did we all love breakfast?
I mean, I did.
Mine was delicious. I had nothing but the side of spite.
You didn't even get water. You wouldn't even give
I
you
didn't even
water.
get water. It's all good. Not everyone can like me, you know? It's fine.
Breakfast was actually really funny because Miriam asked if she could order toast, and the girl's like, no. At first she wanted scrambled eggs, and then it was like an egg salad
On toast.
on toast. And then she said, oh, okay, well, no, I don't want the egg salad, but maybe can I just have a side of toast and butter, please? And she said, no. And then Miriam said, oh, but what do you put the eggs on?
Big question.
Instantly angry.
So we're on our way to get food at another place so we can eat breakfast.
Really surprised she brought me
It's
that.
pretty much lunchtime now. We're kind of moving slow
Yeah, that next
today,
street.
or maybe just because when you're traveling, you walk like 1,000 miles. Oh, thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Cheers, mates.
No tea. Free tea.
Yes.
So it's a little mini Pilsner. Wearing her ice cream.
They give you free ice cream. We're done with the tour. Super cool. Good find, Miriam. You're welcome.
Everything looks more beautiful in the sun.
It does.
So when we did the river cruise, everything looked really, really pretty.
Made it to Prague Castle.
Yeah, we did.
We're in Prague Castle. We're going up to the top for the views. 287 stairs to get to the top of Prague Castle to see the views.
Halfway!
We're halfway there. This is how I died. Can definitely feel the burn. For sure. We got this. Just no one think that we have to do this all the way down, okay? It's gonna be so worth it. Is it though? I don't know, I've never been to Prague before. So, actually I don't know. But I assume it will be worth it. We made it to the top. Yes, we did it. Sweating so hard though. Were the stairs worth it, guys?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
100%.
How was that?
287 stairs and a narrow stairwell. It's a good time.
We got the GoPro master over here.
Master,
That's
I
me.
mean, I won't go that far.
Wow, rude.
Oh, I'm glad I'm leaving in 2 hours. Okay, bye. My glutes and my thighs, so my workout for the year.
Yeah.
miss it.
And we still have 2 more countries to
Yep.
visit
We're
on
only
this trip.
halfway done, actually. Tomorrow we push east.
This is our last walk across the bridge. Well, almost our last walk. This is so awesome. They have camera and lights set up for something, but now I get to use the lighting for my vlog. So we have the Go Anywhere Girl crew setting up here in Prague. Callie just treated us to these. They're filming some kind of movie on the bridge tonight. They're making people move, so we decided to turn around so we don't get stuck on there and not be able to walk back to our place. So remember how I just said, oh, they're shooting some kind of movie here on Charles Bridge while we're walking by, so they're kind of closing it down, so we're turning around. Well, we did a little research because as we're standing here at the edge of the bridge, this guy walked by and crowds of people started running after him and taking pictures. Oh my god, he's a young kid. It's not, it's that guy. Oh my god. It turns out that that's fucking Tom Holland!
That's Tom Holland.
They're shooting Spider-Man here, the new Spider-Man, right here on the bridge. It's our last night here in Prague, and then tomorrow Callie goes back to Sweden and we go on to Istanbul. So we're really excited. It's been a fun trip, catching up with friends, and I can't wait to see the next city.
Another city down.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe, guys.
And don't forget to
Down at the
follow.
bottom.
Follow and subscribe.
If you like this content, you want more of this content, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Alright guys,
And,
thank you. Over now. Cheers.
Thank you. Peace.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. More to come.